This is how everyday materials are transformed into the products we use.
Every luxury bag has a story. Some begin in the wild. In facilities like this, the journey from predator to product begins. Under veterinary supervision, each animal is processed under strict regulatory compliance and controlled conditions. Under strict international regulations, every specimen is documented, classified, and processed with clinical precision before it ever becomes material. In controlled silence, the most valuable asset is separated foeder, not as an animal, but as material destined for transformation. While the hide enters the luxury supply chain, remaining byproducts are processed and redistributed into global specialty markets. But the hide is only part of the story. What happens to the rest is a different investigation entirely. For now, Atun, we follow the leather. Once cleared, the material is sealed, secured, and transported under strict surveillance to specialized processing facilities. Inside these rotating steel chambers, raw hide is chemically treated, strengthened, and transformed into workable leather.
Inside these rotating chambers, heat and chemical agents penetrate deep into the fibers, permanently altering the hide's structure.
After chemical saturation, the hides are thoroughly rinsed and stabilized, preparing the material for drying and finishing.
After hours of chemical treatment and conditioning, the material reveals its final texture, strength, and signature grain.
Here, advanced precision cutting ensures every panel meets exact specifications demanded by high-end luxury brands.
Despite automation, true luxury still depends on human hands, shaping every seam with deliberate precision.
Each component is assembled with exact alignment, transforming treated leather into structured symbols of status and design.
Before reaching the market, each piece undergoes rigorous inspection to meet the uncompromising standards of luxury.
With branding complete, the material is no longer raw product. It becomes a statement of identity and exclusivity.
In this moment, raw material, precision engineering, and design vision converge into a single refined creation.
Behind every symbol of prestige lies a process few ever see.
If you enjoyed this process, like the video and subscribe for more documentaries like this.